Hey there, welcome back to Gut and Glow. If you're new here, what's up? We talk all things health, wellness, and feel good vibes. So, if you're into transforming your body, feeling light, looking fresh, yeah, you're in the right spot. Alright, so, let's dive into today's topic. Weight loss. But not just any weight loss. We're talking about shedding those extra pounds in a way that not only slims you down, but actually brings out that natural, healthy glow in your skin. Like, who doesn't want to look fit and radiant at the same time, right? First things first, let me just say, losing weight and burning fat isn't about starving yourself. Nah, that's old school thinking. We're talking sustainable changes, things you can actually keep up with. 'Cause, honestly, no one's got time for crash diets. Been there, not fun. So, what are we actually gonna cover? Here's the breakdown. We're diving into the foods that help cut that stubborn fat, the routines that boost your metabolism, and believe it or not, how all this is connected to healthier, glowing skin. Yup, they're totally linked. Food choices, alright, let's get into the goods. Food is kinda everything when it comes to weight loss and skin health. You've probably heard the phrase, abs are made in the kitchen, right? Well, same goes for that glow. One thing that's super important is fiber. Foods like oats, chia seeds, berries, they're packed with fiber, and fiber is like magic. It keeps you full and helps you lose weight without feeling, deprived. Fiber basically sweeps out your system, cleans things up, if you know what I mean. And that's gonna show on your skin too. Less bloating, less, puffiness. And protein, don't skimp on that. Lean meats like chicken or fish, or if you're plant-based, tofu, beans, they're amazing. Protein's what helps build lean muscle, which speeds up your metabolism. And that's what keeps your body burning calories all day long, even when you're just chilling. But then we've got healthy fats. I know, it sounds a little weird, eat fat to lose fat. But things like avocados, nuts, olive oil, they're loaded with the good stuff. These fats help balance your hormones. And trust me, balanced hormones make a big diff in your energy and even how your skin looks. No one wants dull, tired-looking skin, right? Hydration and skin. Okay, moving on to another thing that's key for a glow-up: water. I know everyone says drink more water, but it's no joke. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins, which means clearer skin and better metabolism. Try drinking a big glass of water before meals. It can even help with portion control, cause it fills you up a bit, you know? Lifestyle habits now. Let's talk lifestyle. Cardio? Yes. Walking? Absolutely. Getting in daily movement is, so underrated. If you can't hit the gym, just walking around your block, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator can make a huge difference. With an almost conspiratorial tone and a little secret: get enough sleep. No joke, sleep is where the magic happens. Your body actually burns calories while you sleep, and it's the time when your skin regenerates. So, more sleep, less stress, more glow. Plus, you don't want to be cranky. No one likes a tired, cranky glow. Mindset shift now. Last but not least, mindset. This one's huge. Losing weight and toning up isn't just about looks, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Really connecting with yourself, you know? It's easy to get caught up in numbers and scales, but trust me, focusing on how you feel is way better. Think about what's motivating you. Maybe it's fitting into your old jeans, or maybe it's that extra bit of confidence when you walk into a room. Whatever it is, keep that at the front of your mind. You got this. So, there you have it. Trim down, get that skin glowing, and feel amazing. Take it one step at a time. Start with small changes and, remember, there's no rush. Transformation takes time, and every little bit counts. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let's keep this journey going. Drop a comment about your goals or any questions. I'm here to help. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep glowing, keep growing.